Meaning of database.
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 Database. A database is a collection of organized and structured data that is stored electronically on a computer system. It allows for efficient manipulation and retrieval of data, making it an essential tool for businesses and organizations to manage large amounts of information. Databases can range from simple spreadsheets to complex systems that handle vast amounts of data. They play a critical role in various fields, including finance, healthcare, and education. Without databases, it would be challenging to store, organize, and analyze large amounts of information efficiently.